Hello there, we're back to weather update today. Right now we have a slight risk of severe weather tonight, an enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow, and on Wednesday another marginal risk. Tomorrow, looking to have a very, it's either a boom or bust day really, as severe damaging winds, potentially over 80 to maybe even 90 miles per hour is possible, along with a few tornadoes and some large hail. But the main threat really it's going to be focused around the Chicagoland area today. Right now we have a slight risk of severe weather across portions of the Dakotas and Minnesota, and also Illinois and Indiana. Across portions of Illinois, that's going to be having the biggest tornado threat, and we already have a tornado watch issued by the Storm Prediction Center, and also a few tornado warnings active right now, actually heading towards the Chicago area. So really, this is gonna be really the focus of today's weather update. But let's get right into the current watches and warnings. Longest cell, getting some broad rotation. It seems right now being depicted on radar, definitely. And from this cell, it seems it's faded, not really visible anymore. And then with this one. And that was the only warning actually for the DeKalb. So yeah. And with this one, really not really much rotation. Maybe some West Brooklyn. And portions of the Dakotas right now. We have a few active supercells right now. Again, 2-inch hail, 60 miles per hour winds. 2-inch hail, 60 miles per hour winds. And with this one, 70 miles per hour winds in point ping pong sized hail. Tension near Nebraska. Another supercell active. 60 miles per hour winds, quarter sized hail is possible. And into Tennessee, seems another cluster of thunderstorms. 60 miles per hour winds and penny sized hail. So really heading on to what's going on with this mess of thunderstorms. Well, not really mess. Storms are pretty organized around surface low located around the Illinois-Wisconsin border. Right now, affected bulk shear is not really much, around 30 knots. 0 to 1 bulk shear is around 5 to 10 knots. But 0 to 3 kilometers is definitely favoring a few severe thunderstorm to enact supercells today. We're seeing around 30 to even 35 knots across portions of northeastern Illinois. Again, 0 to 3 kilometers, storm relative velocity is 200, maybe even 250 meters cubed per second cubed. Favorable for a couple supercells. And looking at 0 to 3 kilometer Mixler Cape and surface vorticity. Look at some extreme low level instability around 150 even 225 joules per kilogram, with significant surface vorticity around 1 to 3. We could be seeing again a few tornadoes. Looking at the current surface look right now, dew point values are around ranging probably in the 70s, maybe even approaching 80 across portions of Illinois. And really, all threats to severe weather is going to be possible through tonight. And across the Dakotas, that's going to be where you could be seeing some very large hail too tonight. And then with tomorrow, we have an enhanced risk of severe weather. Potential for damaging winds, maybe over 60, maybe approaching 80, 90 miles per hour. So we'll continue to track all this really. But apart from that, that's really it. And yeah, goodbye.